spring reveal. Maybe. It's all well and good filming an unboxing video. Where is the box gonna go? Oh, is it my address just like completely wrong? So yeah, okay, great. So I literally went on about this FedEx box so much on stories as usual. I thought, well, let's show you what was inside the box. Oh, let's put this on the board. I feel like filming a video with me legs just in this position isn't ideal. Where can I put this box? I'm actually paranoid about my address being on show. Could just, I'm gonna pick from the box. She's gonna pick from the box instead. So, box reveal. Spring reveal. Maybe. First up. The goose is back! Goose will be restocked and... Did you see that? This video is going to be cut a lot. Oh my god, all the new ones are at the top. Give me one. And she said, so the two that we're keeping from Valentine's are back. I just need to cut them and then they'll be back. So they're not back, they'll be back. Also in the box, restocked. The word restocked is starting to get like, you know when you say a word too many times? We have these two, which are actually for a wholesale order, so not restocked, but if there's any spare, they might be restocked. I don't even know. I think I know, there's likely not, but there might be. And finally in the box. Am I going to do spring reveal? No, I'm not going to do spring reveal. I'm going to do spring reveal. Maybe just like a sneak peek of what's inside the box. The spring? Maybe if I just tip it a little bit. That's it. That's how you get in the spring. Enjoy that.